Hey, if you want to hear the voice chat while playing on the TV with the PS5 Slim, first of all click on the PlayStation button. Now go into the sound and just be sure that the output device is set up into your TV, and then be sure that the mute game voice chat option is not turned on. So we can turn it on and off by tapping on X. That's quite simple. Next, you have to go into the settings in the right upper corner. From here, go to the sound and go into the audio output. And here also be sure that it is selected into your TV, and also this option switch output device automatically, it's turned off, just to be sure that it is not going to automatically switch for some reason into your controller. And also when you are connected to your chat, you will have this option just right here, so we can set audio balance between your game voice and voice chat. So we can move this either to the left or the right. And that's basically it. Right now, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.